A very happy and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home and taking care of your health. So we're back with our science class again. So welcome back, dear children. As you remember, in the last class, we had discussed a chapter that is chapter number 9, Air Around Us. So, have you forgotten about it? क्या आपको वो chapter याद है? Yes? No? Don't worry. So, we will revise this chapter today. That is chapter number 9, Air Around Us. Let's start with the revision. So, you'll be able to remember it again. You'll be able to recall it again. Okay? So, first of all, air is present everywhere. We know that air is present everywhere and all the living beings, be it human, be it plants, animals, everyone needs air, right? Now, what is wind? What is wind? See, we cannot see or touch air. हम air को देख नहीं सकते, we cannot touch it, but we can feel it. Moving air is called wind. Okay, we studied about it. Then, what is breeze? B-R-E-E-Z-E. Breeze. What is breeze? Wind blowing slowly is called breeze. Wind blowing slowly is called breeze. Then we have studied about storm. Very strong. What is storm? Let's read the spelling. S-T-O-R-M. Storm. What is storm? Strong and fast blowing wind is called storm. Is it clear, children? So, we have studied about it that air has many gases. Which are they? Let's discuss. Oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. What else it has? It has water vapor, dust and smoke. Okay, all this the air has. Is it clear? Then we had discussed this activity. What was it? We had to pour some water in a glass. Then we had to add ice cubes into it. Okay, like this. You have to pour some water in the glass and add ice cubes in it. So what do you see? You see tiny drops of water on the outside of the glass. So, हमें glass के बाहर क्या दिखेगा? Tiny drops of water. Okay? So, where did these drops come from? They came from the water vapor in the air. We had discussed that air has water vapor. When the water vapor in the air touched the cold glass, water vapor जो air में था उसने cold glass को touch किया. So what happened? They cooled and changed into water drops. Okay? I hope now you are able to recall all this we had discussed. Air has dust in it. That is when we sweep our house, जब हम हमारे घर की सफाई करते हैं. So what do we see? That there is dust on our furniture. Then what happens? This dust rises up and mixes with the air. Now because of this what happens? The air becomes impure. Air जो है वो impure हो जाती है. Okay. Then we had discussed air has germs in it. When a sick person, जब कोई बीमार इंसान cough करता है, when they cough or sneeze, so what happens? That the germs from the cough mixes with the air. Okay, so जो cough का जो germs है वो air के साथ mix हो जाता है. So what we should do? We should always use a handkerchief when we cough or sneeze. Okay, and moreover, garbage and open gutters, they also produce very bad, very foul gases. So that is also very bad for our health, and that also makes the air impure. Then we studied that the air has smoke in it. Air में smoke कैसे आता है? Because of the moving vehicles, they give out smoke. Then the coal or the wood that we burn. So what? It produces black smoke. Okay. So that smoke, it mixes with the air and makes the air impure. Air को impure बनाता है. And जब हम ऐसे impure air को breathe in करते हैं, what happens? We fall ill. हम बीमार पड़ जाते हैं. Okay, so what we should do? We should breathe fresh air. अब अगर हमें fresh air चाहिए, so what we have to do? We have to plant more trees. Okay, we should grow more and more green plants around us. Then we should keep the doors and windows open so that fresh air comes. Then we should never cover our face and sleep. हम जब सोते हैं हमें पूरा फेस कवर नहीं करना चाहिए. Okay, so how will the air enter? हमें तो air चाहिए. So we should not cover our face, and we should play in the parks and in open ground. Fresh air में हमें खेलना चाहिए. Okay, so this is the chapter that air is important for life on the earth. And we should not make it impure. So हमें उसे impure नहीं करना है. We have to keep it pure and fresh. Okay. So this is the chapter. So this we had already discussed. Is it clear? Okay. So in the next class we will start with the next chapter. Till that, God bless you all. Goodbye.